Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most advanced home routers you can buy right now, the Flintstreak GLBE 9300 powered by Wi-Fi 7. This device is built for people who demand high-speed internet, strong stability, powerful wired performance, and enterprise-level features right inside their home. We'll go over the Wi-Fi 7 three-band system, the 5.5 GHz Ethernet ports, multi-one load balancing, bulk parental controls, and how these routers eliminate NAS bottlenecks with speeds up to 5 GHz. Let's dive in. What Wi-Fi 7 brings to the table? Wi-Fi 7 is the latest wireless standard and it brings huge upgrades over Wi-Fi 6 and 6E. It features wider channels, much lower latency, multi-link operation, meaning your device can connect across multiple bands at the same time, and ultra-high wireless speeds. The Flint 3 uses Wi-Fi 7 in a three-band configuration, broadcasting across 2.4 GHz up to 688 megabits, 5 GHz up to 2882 megabits, 6 GHz up to 5765 megabits. This ensures fast speed, stable connections, and excellent performance even in crowded environments. The 6 GHz band, especially, is perfect for gaming, 4K and 8K streaming, and heavy file transfers. Three-band performance in real use. Three-band technology means your home network can distribute devices intelligently. Everyday devices like smart home gadgets use the 2.4 GHz band. Laptops and TVs connect through the 5 GHz bands. High-performance devices like gaming PCs, consoles, and NAS systems run on the 6 GHz band. Even with 20 or more devices connected at once, the network stays smooth and responsive. No lag spikes, no random drops, and no slowing down during peak hours. 5 to 0.5 GHz ports. This is one of the strongest features of the Flint 3. Unlike most routers that offer only one fast port, the Flint 3 comes with 5 full 2.5 GHz Ethernet port. This gives you full bandwidth usage with 2.5 GHz fiber internet, extremely fast wide performance for PCs, gaming consoles, and NAS systems, a future-proof home network ready for higher internet speeds, more flexibility for advanced routing and multi-WAN setups. These ports allow the router to perform like a small enterprise's networking switch built into your home router. Multi-WAN failure load balancing. The Flint 3 supports multi-WAN, which means you can connect multiple internet sources simultaneously. This offers three major benefits. Automatic failure. If your main connection drops, the router instantly switches to your backup line. This keeps work, meeting security cameras, and gaming uninterrupted. And load balancing. If you have two or more internet lines, the router distributes traffic smartly. For example, gaming uses one line, while streaming and downloads use another. Combined multi-one functionality, fiber, mobile data, and secondary broadband can all work together under one system. This type of reliability and flexibility is rare in home routers. Bulk parental controls for families. Queen3 includes bulk parental controls built directly into the firmware. With bulk, you can block harmful content, limit screen time, monitor social media activity, get notifications about risky behavior, and manage everything from one dashboard. It's one of the strongest built-in parental control systems available on any consumer router today. Next level NAS performance up to 5 gig combined speed. If you use a NAS at home, this router changes everything. Most routers have internal bottlenecks when transferring files within their network. Build Flint3 allows your PC to mount your NAS as a local disk using SMB protocol, enabling up to 5 gig combined transfer speeds. In real life, this means video editors can work directly from their NAS, which files move extremely quickly. 4K and 8K videos stream without buffering. Multiple users can access the NAS at the same time without slowing down. It's incredibly rare to get this level of internal network performance from a home router. Security and software features. Gelinet routers are known for advanced security, and Flint3 is no exception. It includes an OpenWRT-based operating system, VPS3 wireless encryption, AdGuard home support, built-in OpenVPN and WireGuard, both running at high speed, and VPN client and VPN server modes, automatic security updates. This router gives you enterprise level control and protection. Hardware, cooling, and design. The Flint 3 is engineered for continuous high performance. It features an optimized internal cooling system, efficient airflow, low power consumption, a modern minimalistic desktop style build. Even under heavy load, it stays cool and maintains full speed. Who is this router for? Gamers, low latency on the 6 GHz band, 2.5 K ports, smooth stable gameplay. Remote workers and small offices. Multi-WAN and failure ensure your internet never stops. Content creators and video editors, like me, our 5G NAS performance drastically speeds up your workflow. Families, but parental controls and three-band load balancing keep everything safe and stable. Take enthusiasts anyone who wants a fast, secure, and future-ready home network. The Flint Stream is one of the most powerful 5.7 routers on the market. With three band speeds, 5 to 0.5 G internet port, multi-one reliability, part parental controls, and unmatched NAS performance, it stands out as a top-tier option for modern homes and professional setups. If you want next-generation performance, stability, and advanced control over your network, the Flint 3 is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching my video.